Right, folks, so that was the popular Moho Market. It's where you can get all the food, it seems like, and it didn't disappoint. I think that I'm open to coming back here again at some point, but at this point, I think I'm just gonna go for a night walk. I was told to be a little careful, it gets a little sketchy at night, but I don't know, I feel safe here, so we'll just do a little bit of walking, night tour, go to the promenade and the waterfront and see kids on the street, so I don't think there's anything to worry about right now. So that's a safe side if families are out with the little ones. So the waterfront is this way, but I think I'll stay on this street for now, whatever it's called. And then I will head out to the waterfront in a little bit. So Cape Town, Greenpoint, walking tour at night. It's a nice little Muslim restaurant over there in what looks like a train replica. Let's see if I can get you closer. Looks amazing. I don't think you have time to check out all those places, but boy, yeah, looks nice. Wow, check the inside. Amazing. That's the kind of food you could get here. It's called the Atlantic Express.
Wow.
Did you get that food from there?
Yeah.
Atlantic Express.
Yeah.
Good food, huh?
Yeah.
Is it expensive though? It looks like very classic kind of eating.
Nah, very chill, man.
Very chill.
You should try it.
Appreciate it. Let me see what you got. Nah, looks amazing, my friend.
The rib bun.
Yeah, man. Appreciate
Great,
you, man.
man.
Have a good one. Yeah. So, Cape Town is a place of food. There's no way you could come here and scratch the surface of all the restaurants there are here. I don't know the name of the street. That would have been helpful. But this is the Greenpoint area, and if you Google Mojo Market, it will give you a kind of an idea what the general area is called. So lots of tourists too in that area, which is the other reason why I think I feel safe out here. So but otherwise, I got here about 6 p.m. Not much to do today. My thing is I try to do as much as possible when you have a little bit of time in a place. So, I don't think I'll be going out tonight, but I was able to see a bit of the airport area, a bit of Greenpoint, and I checked out the food scene at Mojo. I'll call it a night. I'll just rest tonight, and then I will do this night walking tour, and I think Maggie Lou. I'm not sure what is Maggie Lou, what kind of restaurant it is, but it looks nice. All day cafe. Looks nice. Hi. Then we have Exotic Tobacco, and then we have Make. How do you pronounce that? That looks nice as well. So the pizza, I guess, pizza joint. Nice little cafe. So there are lots of options here, that is for sure. Starbucks, right across the street. Lots of options. Let's see. Yeah. Thai massage. Mimikyu. Sure what that is. White House. So the plan for tonight is to go on the promenade and the waterfront, as I said. Make a couple of videos there, and that's gonna be it. Jet lag, I'm tired. I have Robben Island early tomorrow, where Nelson Mandela was in prison for 27 years, on my itinerary. cafes. Look like a very popular place where folks are hanging out. Don't know where it is. See. I was gonna ask this guy. Sea Point Promenade, sir. What's the best way so I can sit right there? Appreciate you. So that's the deal. Not sure what this is. It's like a bar, I guess. Mini bar. I guess a mini bar. Drinks and snacks. This is the Apple's mini supermarket. But folks are also drinking and hanging out. So it's Cape Town for you. Alright, let's go to the promenade and walk across and see what we can find. Let's lead up out here. Another nice little joint again. Not sure what this one is, it looks nice. Yeah, no shortage of places to eat. The whole, maybe Moroccan, yeah. I see there's like tangines, so maybe this is Moroccan. And I was gonna say, the whole point of this is just to show you all the options there are out here that you could feast upon in Cape Town. And this is of course just a snippet. This is look more fancy dining and you know people are drinking the beer. Yes. Alright, let's see what we got. My friend, I can see the promenade from there, the waterfront, I can catch it from there. I can get the promenade and the waterfront from there.
This is, yeah.
So if I go, huh?
You want to go waterfront?
Here, yeah. Can I walk from there?
If you walk here, it's safe.
Is it nice and safe over there?
This is follow the sea. But why don't take
Or is it better to walk on this road?
better before?
Okay, but I want to see the glasses, you know, the Mandela glasses. So I can walk on this road and keep. Okay, I'll do just that. All right, appreciate you, man. Okay, I'll do that. Stop this video here, folks. So this is a very nice Korean restaurant, barbecue style. That's one of my favorite type of eating facilities, Korean barbecue. Bring back great memories from Korea. So I'll keep walking. You know, a lot of folks always tell me, even from the hostel, they try to dissuade me from walking. Not because of safety reasons, actually, I'd be surprised. Because they always say, oh my God, it's so far. How do you want to walk? I'm like, no. Walking is what I do. I love to walk. I love to walk when I'm traveling. I want to be out there, unencumbered, no itinerary, liberated. I feel free. I feel happy. Just walking, exploring, no agenda, you know, seeing the place for what it is. That's what I love to do. So, but it's just the guy down there just did the same thing. Everybody always say, why you walk? Why don't you take an Uber? And I say, well, how far it is? Just say 20 minutes walking. I'm like, are you kidding? That's like nothing. It becomes a long walk if you say maybe an hour, but 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I love to walk. I like to burn the calories. The more calories you burn, the more food you could eat and not gain weight. And the more you see when you walk, see, that's the other thing. You get insulated if you stay in the hotel. So the more you walk, the more you see. McDonald's. There's a lot of people outside hanging out. And today's Saturday, so it's a real positive vibes. All right. Check out these big bowls of sushi, ramen, dim sum, modern Asia restaurant. That looks pretty decent, pretty cool. I wish I had room for it, but looks like a very comfortable, nice joint. Good food, I'm sure. Welcome to Cape Town. I have seen a few homeless people on the street. I would say no more than where I live in the US. So, I mean, that's in almost every city. Therefore, I have not felt an inch, an iota of concern at all. So, yeah, so far so good. All right, folks, so maybe just a few more minutes here, show you the streets Folks are eating out. It's Saturday. Why not? And then I'll go to the waterfront and take a few pics at the waterfront. The intention was to go there for sunset, but I missed that totally. So that's all right. Anyway, so South Africa has four, I guess, categories of people. There are blacks, there are whites, there are colored, and Indians. Colored is basically like, it's a real thing here. It's not an insult. It's like a light-skinned individual, you know, like a mix, a mulatto between a black and a white. But they are recognized as their own group, ethnic group here. Of course, Cape Town is majority, I won't say majority, but more white people live in Cape Town. And I think up to the 1960s, actually, Cape Town was off limits to black folks. Of the 4 million people who live in the city, 2 million of them live in townships, mostly the blacks. The simplest way to explain a township is our version of the projects, the ghetto. And so that's very unfortunate. But yeah, of the many white people who live in South Africa, majority will be found in Cape Town. I like the chill vibes of Cape Town though. Nice city bus even at night. I really like the chill vibes of Cape Town. Like, they just have a chill vibe about them. They're all there hanging out, eating, you know, no concerns, and sitting on the side of the road. They're very like, they're not loud. It's not a loud city. They don't get people shouting, speaking loud. They're very calm and composed and just chill. Very, very impressed. All right, so this is it for here. I'll show you a little bit of the waterfront and the promenade, and I'll head back to the hostel and call it a night. Ciao.